be a good speaker. So yeah, because I think I did not tell you before marriage, I used to job 5 year as accounts executive. So because of pandemic and because of my baby, I left my job. So now she is a too little my daughter, and after some time, if I get a good job, so yes, I will definitely do job.
Yeah. You can also start your own business if you also start your like tuition. Nowadays, a lot of platform is there. You can teach like online. So many things is there. You whatever you want to do, you can do it after learning this language. Yeah, and yeah, and
Yeah.
you can do like work from home also. So it is huge opportunities there nowadays. So you can do whatever you want. Yeah.
Tell me one thing, as you told, we can do job work from home. So I think work from home or look job is not a easy task because
Yeah,
I
yeah.
in BCom field in accounts field, yeah, it is we can do, but I think it is not an easy task because I did not do before time and yeah, I searched, I will not deny, I searched this kind of job, but I was unable. You can say I did not get this time, or because of lack of English. Because I think English is very important part for job and private job. If I talk about government job, so I think it is not important. But if we want to do government private job, so English is very important. So yes, that's why I want to I want to increase. I want to clear. It means I want to fluent in this language. So after that, I will think about this. When I will full confidence, yeah, I can get, and I can tackle all the interviews. Who will take ask? Who will ask me in English? So yes, I will be comfortable. So I am waiting for that day.
Yeah, definitely. And what just I'm going to ask you one other question. What do you like most actually? Do you have any favorite thing to do? Do you like to
Favorite
travel?
thing? No, if I, my favorite thing is my study. I like so much study. Yes, I talk to that person. I talk to that person too much. Whose person I can get lots of knowledge regarding accounts and maths, computers, this kind of a thing. So
Yeah,
yes,
you can
I
also take yeah, you
yes.
can also take help on YouTube. A lot of videos there and regarding like accounts, regarding maths, and regarding
Yes.
any subject, whatever subject you want to learn, and you will get more video on that topic, and you can watch and you can understand and you can learn. So it is very good.
Yes, definitely. All the means, as you said, accounts related, maths, all subject related is a video we can see on YouTube. But because of lack of English, I think I am unable to do anything, do any type of thing. Means I can't teach a student lack of English. I can't get good job lack of English. I can't go when I go to outside. So if I am not able to speak in English, so I feel hesitate. So because of lack of English, I think I am stuck in every field because of lack of English. So first of all, I would like to improve my English. Then after that, I will do anything.
Yeah, definitely. I'll tell you one thing. You don't think like that. I have less knowledge about English speaking. You just keep focus on speaking. Very soon you become a like a good speaker. You communicate with any people, right? And you just keep focus on practice. I'm just saying keep focus on practice on daily basis at least 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. If it is possible for you, you can do like more conversation, more like talking to strangers, to new people. So you just try to do, right? And you at least you try to do like practice 1 hour in a daily basis, then it would be you will get like good response, good impact your communication. You can see yourself after 1 month where are you, and after now where are you. So you can see your
Yes.
video, you record yourself, and you just try to watch your video and you understand where you did mistake, and just you try to correct them, and you just try to apply in another video. You just try to reduce your mistake, and slowly you become like a good speaker. So don't need to think about that you are not a good speaker, you are not be able to communicate with the people, you are not be able to answer proper in English. So if you think like that, you always you know mind is always listening your word, right? So it is somewhere it is you will get like impact for your learning. So don't think like that you are a weak, you are a weak, you are not be able to speak. You think, okay, I'm learning. I'm not be able to speak just because of I'm learning. I'm new on it, right? So you don't think like that you not be able to speak because you don't know about that, right? So you just keep practicing because you don't know you are a new on it. When you are like keep practice on that, you very soon you like become a good speaker. I'm also like, if I talk about me, so I'm 2020 when I start corona. That time I'm not be able to express myself in better manner. Nowadays I can speak and I can communicate with the people just because of practice. I'm doing a lot of practice in daily basis. At least I'm trying to talk with the strangers at least 1 hour in a daily basis minimum, right? That's why at least I'm communicating and still I'm learning. I'm just learning with every person. I'm learning to you. I'm learning to every junior and senior because I want to enhance my communication. I want to like polish my English communication so that at least I can speak front of the public. Right. That's why I'm learning these things. And going forward in future also, I'm just trying to everybody they are learning, everybody they are learning in any age, right? So we have to think like that.
Mhm. But
Yeah.
yes, same thing I'm doing last 1.5 year month. As I told you, I talked to Ajay sir. So yeah, say, I think you are saying only 1 hour, and if I talk about me, so I think I am giving 3 and 4 hours per day for
That is very,
uh,
no, I'm telling you, if you don't have time, that's why you have a
yes,
lot
yes,
of work. You are a housewife, you have to manage the many thing in your home, right? So if you have like more than like 1 hour, it is very good. If you have 2 hours, 3 hour, 4 hour, you just try to practice, because if you are giving like more time, you will like become a good speaker very soon, right? So it's all depends on practice.
yes. So
Yeah.
because I was thinking one day, I'm giving my 3 and 4 hour as a audio call. So I think it is not enough. I have to switch the video call. So I decided then I mail to you and other YouTubers. So because I think I will be able good speak when I will take a video call to someone.
It is true. It is true. It is completely true. You see, I'll tell you one thing. If you are talking to the people front of the camera, you will get confident. And confidence is a very important power actually for learning. Like motivation is a very important, power is a very important, curiosity is a very important. You will get like, okay, if you can see yourself, okay, at least I can communicate with the people. At least I can communicate with the front of the camera. You are facing the camera as of now. You are, you know, you are doing great thing, right? As of now you're talking to the people front of the camera. This is a very huge impact. I'm telling you, you are doing very great. And it's not taking, if you are keep doing like that, you just try to, a lot of video is there on YouTube, you just try to approach them, you just mail them, and they will invite you, and they will invite you, and you can talk to them. You, if you have any doubt, you can ask them. If you have now any doubt how we can practice, what I need to do, and how I can become a like a good speaker, whatever doubt you have, you can ask them. If I know, then definitely I'll try to answer your question, because I am also learning. I'm also learner. I'm also learning English, how I can become a like a good speaker. So this is
So
very good. And you just try to connect with the various people. When you are connecting to the people, you will get new idea. New idea is a very important. Then you become then you understand, okay, what I need to do in my communication. You observe many people speaking. Then you will understood, okay, how I need to improve myself. Then you will get more idea. A lot of idea is there. Now you are talking to me, you understand how I am talking. Earlier you already talked with Ajay. You have already idea how Ajay talking. You are talking to the maybe another people in another conversation, you will get that idea, right? You can also watch, try to watch YouTube video. A lot of video is there on YouTube, English
Yes.
related English speaking, grammar, whatever you think in your mind, you just try to watch. You understand how they are talking, right? You whatever you like, you want to watch like cartoon video, you want to watch like broadcast, you want to watch any story video, you want to watch like English movie, whatever you like, that video you just try to watch, right? If you're
Yes.
watching video, you will increase your vocab also, increase your confidence also, increase your like, you will get slowly interest in that. Okay, if you are getting interest, obviously slowly you will learn automatically. So it is happen when you are going to do these kind of activities, it is happen automatically, right? So it is true.
Okay.
If you want to ask anything, definitely you can ask me. I'll try to give you the better idea how you can like how you can become like a good speaker, how you need to do the practice on daily basis.
So, what do you do for vocabularies?
Vocab, see, I'll tell you one thing. If you decide in your like okay, I need to learn 5 vocab in a daily basis, right? And you just written the vocab in your notebook, and you just try to do like memorize thing uh, like you just read 5 times 10 times in what word, and you like that you just try to remember. So it is very difficult actually. Watch video, movies, and where you not understand that what they are saying, what is the meaning of that, same moment you just try to Google it. Everything you will get on Google, you just Google it, and you will get the answer what is the meaning in Hindi, whatever is native language. I'm not talking about Hindi. Whatever is native language, that native language, you will get answer. And then you will understood, okay, what is the meaning of this, this is the right meaning of that sentences, that word meaning, right? And that word meaning you never forget in your future, right? If you are doing like that, you will easily you build your vocab. I'm also doing the same thing, because if every day we are decided to learn 5 word meaning, it is very difficult and everybody can't do it, right? So somewhere if you're like doing like a ratta thing, so it is very difficult to remember this word meaning. So if we are doing like whatever we are doing activity, in that activity we just try to learn the vocab, right? Whenever you are stuck, whenever you think in your mind how I can say this, and I'm not understanding what is the meaning of word, right? And that what you just find on Google, and that way you will get answer. And that way, if when you will get answer, that word you never forget in the future, right? I'll give
Yes.
you one example, then you will understand better. See, someone like someone suppose you slap me. When you are
Mhm.
slap your like daughter, if she did any kind of anything,
Mm.
so you slap, maybe you were angry that time and you slap her. And if she know the like thing, and she never forget you slap, when she did any another mistake, then he realized, okay, mommy slapped me. So that's why like that we need to think about that, and like that we can increase our vocab. And
Okay.
it is not a big thing about if we are talking about vocab. So whenever we are stuck about the word meaning, just that time we just find on Google, and when we get answer, and that answer never forget, because we are stuck with that moment, and that moment never forget in future.
Yes. So, as you told, you have also completed your BCom. So, did you completed your BCom from Bihar?
Yes, I completed my BCom from Bihar only.
Okay. So, which subject you get in BCom?
Accounts. Accounts.
Mm, only accounts.
Yes.
Only
I
accounts,
did my
no.
accounts also, mathematics is also there,
Mhm.
aesthetics is also there,
Okay,
Hindi and English is also there.
okay, nice. So, you are thinking for CA?
Yeah, I'm thinking, actually, I completed my bachelor degree in 2018. So now I'm thinking to do CA because I'm working in a private company. It is required actually. If I did CA, I will, I get like opportunity also. I can, grow myself. So that's why I'm thinking to do CA because if we are going to do CA, it will take like 5 to 6 years, right? And yeah, and we have another option also. We can do like MBA, and
Yes.
if I do MBA, then it will take like 2 years, and it is also good. So let's see what we can decide.
Hmm. Yes. So, according to you, what is the condition of education in Bihar?
So earlier, I can say it is very not worst, but it is bad. And nowadays, everywhere education is a very good actually. You will get like everything in everywhere. Nowadays, people are trying to come in Bihar in Patna to do the like UPSC. I think must aware about that.
Yes.
Khan sir and physics wala, many teachers there. It is very popular in all over India, right? So nowadays people are just trying to come in Bihar and for UPSC, right? So become a like IAS, IPS.
Yes, I think Manish reporter like Manish reporter is also from Bihar. I think I do not full
Yeah,
name. Manish,
Manish Kashyap. Kashyap.
okay, Manish
Kashyap.
Kashyap. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. He's I think nice reporter and yeah he talk about always truth. Uh,
Yes, yes, yes. True,
that's
true.
why politicians and all people jealous with him. And I think last time they took into the jail